Morning guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a 2005 Bobcat T300 high flow rubber track skid steer loader. Fellas, this is a good running machine here. Has almost brand new tracks on it. There's less than 15 hours on the tracks. They were just put on a month ago, and like I said, there's about 15 hours on the tracks. The purpose of this video today is to start, run, and work this machine, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. We're going to pour it right here in the dirt pile for you and show you it works. We're going to go ahead and start you right back here in the engine compartment and show you what we know. This machine is powered by a Kubota V3300, 81 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent, very clean in the engine compartment. It's been in our shop. We have serviced it with all new filters, oils, case drain filters. Everything's been changed. Checked the drive motors. Everything there is good. Parking brake works just like it's supposed to. You know, it really is a good machine. Again, it is a high flow machine, which high flow skid steers are hard to find right now. Back door is good. There's one little dent here in the back door. All the lights work. There's no welds or cracks we found anywhere. Dry sprockets and rollers we'd estimate to be 75 to 80%. Again, tracks are 99%. No questions asked there. Again, it is an 05 and it is a high flow T300. Does have keyless dash panel. Also does have attachment control device. Seat cushion is tore. We have a brand new one ordered. It has not come in yet from the Bobcat dealer. The back seat cushion has two little wee nicks in it, but nothing major. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Comes with a good 80-inch Bobcat heavy-duty bucket. Get you close up with this side. Machine has right at 2,974 hours on it. Again, undercarriage is in very nice shape. We're going to go ahead and start this machine up and show you what she does. And again, this is a keyless dash machine. Also does have hydraulic bucket positioning, which will auto level the bucket. We hope you can see this machine starts, runs, works, does everything it's supposed to do. We can't find anything wrong with it. The new tracks really do bite in, so that does rob a little bit of power, but it's a really nice machine. Does do everything it's supposed to do. If you have any questions on our 2005 Bobcat T300 high flow machine, please give us a call here at Mark Supply 88. 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy event.